Hey everybody, this is Donnie from ADEX Clubs. I'm going to take you guys through a little sample of what I do for a workout, and this is pretty much done 3 or 4 times a week, and on the other days I do a little bit of endurance or cardio work, whatever you want to call it. And then, so the first exercise I do would be the front swing, and I'm going to do that for 5 sets of 10 or 12, depending upon how I feel that day. I got it set at 45 pounds, so first exercise is going to be your front swing. Use a fairly heavy club. Like I said, I got 45 pounds here. Okay, then go on to your strength portion, which will be, and I'm going to take apart the club to show you what I do. I'm taking my add-on kit off out of my ADEX club. That's the 5-pound weight. And today I'm going to go with 22.5 pounds. So I'll set my club up to 22.5 pounds. That was my rest time in between. The first exercise I like to do is the front strike. Sometimes I do it with double clubs. Begin in this position right here, nice and straight. Reach back, elbow nice pointed forward, and draw down. Do not do these fast. Do them sort of slow and controlled. Going to switch the weight up again because ADEX Club switch. This is my rest between doing my next exercise. Or if you got to adjust the weight to go to your in between sets, that's also fine too. I'm going down to 15 pounds. Right there. And I'm going to do 5 sets of 8 reps. I'm going to do a side strike. I'm going to begin in this position, go out to the side. Notice I'm out 90 degrees. Place the club behind my back like I'm scratching my back, elbow pointed out that way. And I'm going to draw downward with the elbow, compressing my lat, pulling with the lat and the tricep. Next exercise is going to be one-handed halos. Again, 5 sets, 8 reps. I'm going to go with a heavier weight for that. So, switch the club up. Guys, this only takes 30 seconds to do. It's a nice rest. And you got to keep your ADEX clubs nice by keeping a little bit of Vaseline on the thread sets to keep them running smooth. So we're going to do one-handed halos, and being that I really dig one-handed halos, we're going to do a little weight. We're going to do the full 25 on this one. So, begin up here. We've got a 25-pound club. Try to keep your head as still as possible. Make the hand go around the head. Get that swing in the back. Work with the dynamics of the exercise. Switch the weight up again. We're on to our next exercise. That is going to be the push angle press. I'm starting to really like doing these. These are really hitting my upper pecs and my anterior delts. I'm going to go with 17.5 pounds for this one. Sometimes I like to do this with 2 clubs just to balance out it makes the body feel a little more balanced. So I'm going to grab a 15-pounder that I got set up here just to balance off for demonstration. And begin in the front ready position and extend the arm upward and forward at the same time. Pretend like you have a saucer of water on the top of the clubs. See, I'm going up at a slight angle, but I'm keeping the top of the club parallel to the ground. Again, 5 sets of 8 reps. Our next exercise, we're going to change the weight again. And we are going to do something again that's a little heavier. I'm going to put the heavy sleeve on from the ADEX Club to make this 37.5 pounds. And this is sort of a static exercise. I shouldn't say static, but it's typical of regular bodybuilding. It's not a ballistic exercise per se, unless you want to make it one. And I'll show you how to do that. And basically, for the rear deltoids, I just do rear elbow. Notice I'm pulling my elbow up. They're rear elbow raises or rear shrugs. This is a real old school exercise, and it's kind of neat with the clubs. And if you're strong enough, instead of drawing it upward like this and firing your rear delt, you can swing it outward. Notice I'm trying to keep my body from rocking, and I'm just trying to get that club backwards without pushing my body in an opposite direction. So keep your body still and get it out there. That's tough to do. And you could do that with some weight. Obviously, I'm using 37.5 pounds here. Again, strip your club down. We're going on to the last exercise. And please just bear with me here. I know it's boring to watch me change it, but this is the feature of the ADEX Club. Let's go back to that 17.5 pounds. And as a nice finisher for that shoulder exercise, for that workout, let's do them this way today. Just do a regular press and hold the club by the barrel of the club and get your body up and a nice press. Get that elbow extended all the way up there. Again, do that for 5 sets of 8 reps. Well, anyway, there you have it. How to break down your ADEX Club using the add-on kit and getting a workout in. I hope to see you guys soon. Try this one out in the gym or at home, wherever you're training. And I'll see you guys on the platform soon. Peace.